I hope that you get an appreciation of just what you're able to do. You're transforming lives. You're transforming not just the lives of the folks that we treat, but you're transforming our lives. You're transforming the next generation of folks that are going to be doing this work around the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your generosity.
Thank you so much for donating. And actually, that donation gives a life. Can't thank you enough for making this possible.
Operation Smile cannot exist without the generous support of the donors, and I'd just like to personally thank them from the bottom of my heart.
We would like to thank all of you that help Operation Smile. Thanks.
Donors, thank you.
Please realize that we realize that without you, this couldn't happen. I don't care if we're the best trained doctor in the world or the most caring human being in the world. I don't care whatever the asset is that we as individuals who see these kids face to face, whatever we do, trust me when I say you are the people that make it happen. Without you, it wouldn't happen. Thank you for what you're willing to do.